So hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my new video. So guys, in market and online there are different kind of paper, and in this it's like 200 GSM or 400 GSM or 300, it's like that, or rough paper or smooth paper, or means different kinds of paper. So in this we means it get difficult to choose which paper, means which paper should be used, which paper is best for sketching, which paper is best for watercolor or any oil painting or acrylics, like that. So it get difficult to choose in many brands and many kinds of paper, and means many rough and texture paper. So it get very difficult. So means I bought some papers for example, and I'm using that paper, and it's best for me in which kinds in which medium do I use, and I'll explain in this video, and which paper should you use. I'll explain that also. So in this video I'll just explain you and suggest you which paper should you use. So without any further ado, let's start today. So first, in many papers in online also, and in market also, I have means pointed that, like example, I have here the Canson the watercolor paper. This is actually used for watercolor artworks or any, means only watercolor, but we can use it also in sketches, because this is 300 GSM. If you see here, it's 300 GSM. So what is GSM? So first, what is GSM? GSM means grams per square meter. Means it gives a knowledge like the thickness of the paper. Means if I just open this and show you, so this is the paper of the 300 GSM watercolor artist grade watercolor sheets, and this is not the acid free, right? This is not acid free. In ivory sheets you get the sheets acid free. I'll come on this topic also. First, what is GSM? The GSM is grams per square meter. This gives the thickness of the paper and the weight of the paper. Means if this is 300 GSM, so we can do the charcoal medium also in this, and the graphite medium also, and we can do much layering, many more as we want layering. Like I want to give any skin texture, so I can give first layer of 2H, then I can give it little shadow part of HB also, then dark part of 2B also, and then 4B. As you want, you can give much layer on the this more GSM paper. So means as more GSM, the paper is best for sketching also and watercolor also. As the mainly this GSM paper are mainly used for watercolors only, but in some sketching sheets also we can see this GSM. As an example, I have here the ivory sheet. So this is of 200 I think 200 GSM. So means in Brushtro brand also you can get this GSM in watercolor also, and one paper is there of watercolor and sketching both. So when GSM just help us to the thickness of the paper. By thickness we can add as much as layers in watercolor and in sketching also. So this is GSM, and I think as you purchase more GSM paper, it is better for you only, because if, as I have here this simple paper, the Xerox paper, so in this in means this paper is of zero GSM. This is very thin and very local paper. So in this, if we can shade but we can't blend it. If we use blender on this, it may chances to tear the page, or means drawing get damaged. Means in this the Xerox paper we doesn't get any GSM. This is zero, as I said. In this we can do the shading but we can't do the blending. As we use the blender on this, it can make chance to tear the page, or artwork can damage. And so this is all about GSM. So means the GSM is much important in paper also, as the paper matters. Paper means GSM is almost in simple language. GSM is important for layering. Is as GSM greater, we can do as much as layering of our sketching also, and in watercolor also. So in markets there are many types of many brands, and many kinds of paper. In that there are the ivory sheets and the cartridge sheets and the artist drawing sheets. There are many types of. So I have here one the cartridge drawing book, means we can say the A3 size cartridge drawing sheets. And I have here the ivory sheet, and I have observed in YouTube. I have watched about 50 to 60% we can say of artists do use the brushstroke drawing sheets. Means they can say the brushstroke drawing sheets are always best only. Brushstroke is very nice brand. In that we can get the watercolor sheets also, the artist sketching means the grade pencils in that drawing sheets also. And Brushstroke also gives the oil painting and the acrylic painting paper also. Means Brushstroke is a good brand, and almost 50 to 60% of artists on YouTube do use the Brushstroke brand. But I doesn't have any sheets or any drawing book of Brushstroke brand, because I'm just going one by one. First I have the cartridge sheets. Now I am using the ivory sheets. So on cartridge, if you buy the cartridge drawing book like this, I have the A3 size cartridge. In this A4 also available. So if you buy the book of cartridge paper, so you doesn't get any GSM. This is almost thin paper for drawing, but you can also do layering on this. but as you want, it doesn't get any result of layering as much you want. And but it's very good, and I have done very much of drawings in this. Like one of the this is very nice. Then this one also, the old man. This one also it's best. We can't say better, best. This one. So as the car means GSM also doesn't matter much, because if you have your talent of sketching and all of this, so you can also do it on any Xerox paper, like hyper realistic and realistic work. But as I said, the branded papers and branded pencil and means branded material matters for the results. Like if you see this artwork I have done with grade pencils of Apsara, and this artwork is done by Apsara handwriting pencil. So both are very nice, but I have my talent. I have done with Apsara handwriting pencil also. So you can also do. But what happens by a handwriting pencil, after 1 or 2 years, the artwork goes like yellow color paper, and some particles of graphite do reduce. The artwork gets dull after 1 or 2 years. That doesn't happen in this grade pencil because they are branded. So this is difference between the cheap and the expensive pencils. I think I have made a video on this, so you can check it in my channel. If you want, I'm giving the link in the description, so you can check it. But watch this video first and then this. So yeah, we are saying that Brushstroke brand is almost famous in all world. All artists are using this. So I also want this to try the Brushstroke brand. So first I am using the cartridge. Now I am using the ivory sheets, and in future I am using the Brushstroke or any paper of branding. Okay, brand paper, and in future. So I have made the which paper I use, so you can also check the yesterday's video. So you can check it on my channel. So in that I have explained which paper I use. So yeah. Now in online, not in market, in any stationery shop you can't get this paper, but in online you get one paper. So that paper, in that paper we can do the hyper realistic work with white charcoal pencil. So this is the white charcoal pencil. So as we have the charcoal pencils as in black shade of smooth, hard and medium, like that, there are also the white charcoal pencils. So like that I have one. This is used in that paper. The name of the paper is toned paper, means they are in gray shade, as this paper, as we used paper are in white, but but that paper is in gray shade. So that the paper name is tone paper. So the tone paper of the Strathmore company is amazing. Means I have used for 2-3 art means practice, like figure drawing. So I am practicing on figure drawing also. It is very important for our sketching. It gives the figure of our body and skull, like that. So in that I have used the tone paper for practice. So in that I have used the white charcoal pencils for highlights, and means because they are mid tone. Gray is a mid tone, not black or not white. So you can easily opt dark shadows also and dark highlights also. Highlights by white charcoal pencil I have this, and shadows by black charcoal pencil of soft pencil. So this, so Strathmore company toned paper, you can get the paper online. I'm giving the link in the description, you can check it and also buy it if you want. Means the tone paper are mainly used for portraits only and landscape also, but mainly I think it's mainly used for landscape. In landscape we can easily do sketching of white charcoal white charcoal pencil and black charcoal pencil. For I'll make video on the tone paper of highlights and dark shadows, so like that. But the tone paper is mid tone, as I said, it's gray. So you can check it. I doesn't have it now, but I'm giving the link in the description, you can check it and see how's it. Strathmore company is best for it. So these are all papers that I have told you. The cartridge, the cartridge sheets, second the ivory sheets. The first is the print paper as Xerox paper, second is cartridge, third is the ivory sheet, and fourth is the brushstroke drawing sheets, and fifth we see the watercolor, the Canson brand artist watercolor sheets. You can also use it in sketching because they are great, and they are in 300 GSM. And means they are also available in cold press and hot press. So I have here the cold press, as you can see here. It is cold press, means cold press is rough. If you see, you can see the texture in this cold pressed. Okay, and the other paper is hot press. Hot press is almost smooth, it's fully smooth, it's amazing. And but what is the main use of this? In cold press, this is because this is rough, so you can easily opt the texture in sketching. So if you want to do sketching on this, so you can buy the cold pressed artist watercolor sheets, 300 GSM. And if you get, you can buy the 25% or 20% of cotton. Cotton also matters. Cotton also gives us thickness. By cotton we can also do much layering, so cotton also matters. If you get, you can buy of cotton also 20 or 25% as you want. But if you want to do sketching, as Saurav Joshi sir also have done many sketching, like the tiger, realistic tiger drawing, or the old man drawing, so they use the artist watercolor sheets. So I think that paper is also of 300 GSM. So again, the brand doesn't matter, but I love this Canson brand in watercolor. You can also use the brushstroke and all. Brushstroke also gives the watercolor sheets the best brand. so you can also buy. So all paper link are in description box, you can check it and you can also buy. So I hope so. Yeah, I have cleared all about the paper, and in this all papers I think ivory paper is best. As you are beginner, if you are beginner, ivory sheets is almost better. In this I have opted the charcoal medium also and graphite also. In this I have done also highlights by Tombow Mono and the jelly roll pen. So this is best. And if you are artist, professional artist, so you can use the Brushstroke brand or any high quality paper or branded paper. So yeah, so that's all. I hope you and means this video is helpful. I have cleared all about paper, which paper should you use, all about your paper. And if this video is helpful, please do like, share, and if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video. Till that, happy sketching, do sketching.